Honda CBR600RR. Best 600cc Supersport motorcycles. Supersport motorcycles started out as a mid-range racing category. The 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle still often appears on national and international racetracks. But let's face it, to keep them on track just means denying ourselves a world of fun. The 600 cubic centimeters sport bike is powerful, light, agile, affordable, fast, and very comfortable to ride on the road. Your past, present, and future. 600 cubic centimeters bikes have been very popular over the last 20 years. Most major motorcycle manufacturers produce supersports bikes. Currently, the developer's focus has mostly shifted to the 1000 cubic centimeters superbike. For a variety of reasons, among them global emission restrictions, new 600 cubic centimeters sport bikes are getting harder and harder to find. But don't worry, this means that the 600 cubic centimeters motorsport segment has become a playground for bargain hunters. With the popularity of 600 motorcycles behind us, you may want to have a classic motorcycle before it is a few years old. So, what is the best 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle? From now on, let's ask a better question. What is the best 600 cubic centimeters bike for you? We will list the 10 most popular supersports motorcycles comparing specifications and list the pros and cons in terms of power, design, engine size and ease of handling. To help you narrow it down even further, we've broken down this list into the supersports motorcycles you can buy new in 2021, and the popular old 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles. Honda CBR600RR. Best choice for best 600cc Supersport motorcycle. Honda CBR600RR. Honda was later to introduce its first 600 cubic centimeters sport bike compared to other manufacturers. However, they have since more than made up for it. So much so, in fact, that they took out the World Supersport Championship with the CBR600F in 2002. This was directly followed by a 6-year uninterrupted reign of the CBR600RR from 2003 to 2008 and 2 more victories thereafter, in 2010 and 2014 with the CBR600RR. During the early 2000s, the CBR600RR could easily be considered the best 600 cubic centimeters bike. The Honda prides itself on creating a connection between rider and machine. Feeling one with your bike while expertly leaning it into corners is what a supersport motorcycle is all about. What it is going for it is available with CBS, combined anti-lock braking system, which distributes the braking force between the wheels. What might turn you off? Based on the latest championships, the Honda is not the fastest bike out there anymore. Specs. Engine, 599 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC, inline 4-cylinder. Wet weight, 410 pounds. Transmission, close ratio 6-speed. Seat height, 32.3 inches. Is a 600cc bike good for beginners? 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles can be a good starting point for novice riders. Please note that there are various kinds of 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles. If you want to get up to speed, supersports bikes are a great choice. When compared to the 600 cubic centimeters cruiser, the 600 cubic centimeters sport bike has about twice the horsepower. So go easy on the throttle at the start. Is there a big difference between 600cc and 1000cc? You may ask, what is the difference between 1000 cubic centimeters and 600 cubic centimeters sport bikes? Apart from the obvious difference in engine capacity, there are a few things to consider. On average, 1000 cubic centimeters sport bikes have 70% more horsepower than their 600 cubic centimeters cousins. And it weighs only about 6% more. Therefore, the power-to-weight ratio tipped the scales in favor of a 1000 cubic centimeters engine. How fast? What are you saying? When you look at supersports motorcycles, speed should be one of your main reasons. So how fast is this 600 cubic centimeters bike? All motorcycle brands have 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles that will go over 125 miles per hour. However, on average, the maximum speed of a 600 cubic centimeters bike is around 160 miles per hour. And some 600 cubic centimeters sport bikes will propel you at 175 miles per hour.